kayong lahat. Lupit. Pero syempre, tawagan natin the incredible ladies of G22 to join us on stage, AJ, Althea, and Jazz. Grabe, yung star power ng stage na to is overwhelming. Nakikita natin yung elite circle of inspiring artists. Once again, palakpakan natin your Acer brand ambassadors! Mag-picture muna tayo para at least magsama-sama tayo lahat. Picture muna. Can we get our official camera na umakyat dito on stage para kayo naman ang nakikita natin? Can we get an official camera?